Hey guys, Ron Lyons, Tactical Redneck here, and we're going to be doing a series on this truck, the one that you see me sitting in right now. This is a GMC Sierra 1500 crew cab. We're going to be loading it up with tactical and prepping gear and stuff like that. Over the next few weeks, it's going to be a new video series. And you may have already seen a little bit of this series where we just introduce the concept. Well, today we want to do something that's not really EDC, it's not even really prepper, but we're going to put a bed mat in today. And the reason that we're going to do that is because everything builds on everything else. So if you have a raw truck bed and you're going to be putting cargo and gear and things like that in there, you probably need a really good bed mat. So we're going to show you that. Very, very simple installation. It's a really, really awesome product. I will put a link to it below. We're not selling them. It's not an affiliate link. It's just the one that we happen to choose for this particular project. So I tell you what, I'm going to go back there. We're going to open this thing up and let's get it installed.
Shirts, calloused hands, slow on his feet. He had a box of old tools in the bed of that truck, rusted from tears and years of hard luck. He drove an hour out of his way to give him back on a cold gray day. I said, man, you worked hard for each one. He smiled and said, they were just on loan, never mind to keep. Some things you hold with your hands, some you hold while you sleep. You take care of them, love them, give them a home. But sooner or later, you gotta let go. Yeah, the hardest truth I've ever known is the things we love most are just on loan. Back then, I didn't understand why he'd part with what built his rough hands. I thought ownership meant time and scars, sweating years and busted knuckles in the dark. Then life moved.
All right, guys, I'm back in the truck, and that was super, super simple. That literally took less than 10 minutes, and I think it's going to be absolutely amazing. So we're going to see if that thing will kind of settle down back there right now. It's like, you know, got the fold lines in it and stuff like that. And we'll let you know here very soon how that does, and we've got so much more gear and equipment that we're going to be installing in this truck. We're going to do it little bit by little bit. We're going to bring it to you just like this in these little short videos so that you can take a look, follow along with us, and see how everything goes. Anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, and God bless.